This is track day 14 and I am going to try my first day in the next group up. So there are basically 4 levels at Lakeside. There's the induction group, which most people only do once for first time here or first time on track. Then there is I think it's the formula group. It used to be blue, it's now red. So that's why you've probably seen in the videos my tag changing and the sticker on Eva changing from blue to red. But I've been in that same group all this time. And the next group I think is GT. They usually split that into 2 because it's quite a big group. And then there is I can't remember the name of the next group, which is yellow. It might be Corsa. I don't remember. Anyway, so this is my first time in the GT group. The main 2 reasons that I wanted to shift up, firstly is that I just want to have more clear laps where I'm not riding behind other people who might be a bit slower than me. I seem to be getting fewer of those lately, and it's hard to practice technique and hard to make myself faster, I guess, if I'm not getting a lot of opportunity to do it. And the second reason is that riding with faster riders, I'm going to learn so much from them. That's what I'm looking forward to. That's the plan. I have spoken with a lot of people who have seen me ride, including track guardians, and they seem pretty confident that I'm okay to come up to this group. But today will be the test. So I'm going to focus mostly on being consistent today, just being very consistent with what I already know, so that I'm getting some nice consistent lap times and so that I'm predictable, I guess, for other riders, every other rider in the group that's faster than me. And then probably just observe and learn, what are the other faster riders doing, and does that help me choose something else to maybe practice on for today? So that's the plan. We'll see how that pans out. Well, that's the end of my first day in the next group. I ended up in green. I don't know how they work out whether you're green or orange, but they're both supposedly the same level. Not that it matters. I was one of the slowest in the group, which doesn't bug me at all, to be honest. I just started at the back of the pack each time, and I had pretty much every single lap at the fastest speed I wanted to ride, which was a first. And that was really what I was hoping to get out of going up a group, is to be able to ride my pace every time so that I can push myself. Not so much to push myself to go faster, but push myself to keep practicing everything, because in the previous group there often is traffic to get around, and it can mean that there's maybe only 2 or 3 laps a session where I really can practice and test things at my pace. But now in this group, because pretty much everyone's faster than me, and it takes them a few laps, sometimes quite a few laps, to catch up and overtake me, it just means that there is no traffic for me. It's like I have the track to myself. do overtake me, it's no big deal. They do it so much cleaner and quicker and less disruptive than some of the overtaking that can happen in the group I just came out of. When I was overtaken, that was a perfect opportunity to see what they were doing into the next corners and to see how much faster they go, and therefore how much faster potentially I could be going if I had their skill. So, I think this has been a good decision. Mick, one of the track guardians that helped me out last time here at Lakeside and was encouraging for me to go up a group, said everything's looking fine. My lines are good, and now it's just a question of increasing throttle. Well, increasing speed, but increasing speed by doing different things, practicing different things. So I'm coming back into the green group again, the GT group. Today was not fantastic. I didn't do my best times today. I don't know if it was the wind is quite blowy, but I also, and this was absolutely by choice and with full awareness, went on a longish bicycle ride yesterday with a friend who's getting ready for a multi-day event, cycling event. I'm not a cyclist anymore. It was a bit of hard work, really. Thankfully, we rode at a social pace, so I didn't have to push, but still 3.5 hours on the bicycle yesterday I think took a bit out of me. I could really feel it. I just wasn't feeling snappy today, and I was also feeling my reaction times mentally just felt a bit slower, I guess. And so I called it quits after the 4th session, so I didn't get myself into any trouble in the 5th. It's also more exhausting being able to ride at my speed on every single lap. I don't get any rest, I guess, behind the traffic or behind anyone who's riding a slower lap. So this is good. I hope that it will be the key to me getting a bit more skilled and therefore a bit more quick. Next track day is Lakeside again, I hope. I'm aiming for the last 2. I think there's only 2 Lakeside track days left for the year, so I'm aiming to do both of them. And I've booked in to do 2 days at Eastern Creek at Sydney Motorsport Park in November, so that will be very exciting. I'll just have one more Lakeside day before that, and then I'll see if I go out to Morgan Park again. I'm just not sure. This is fun. I'm really happy I decided to go up a group. I'm so curious to see if it really does help me get quicker sooner. We'll find out and I'll let you know. See you next time.